This is a general primary care clinic, so everything from coughs and colds and ears getting plugged up with wax to well child exams and even more chronic illness for those students that have it, such as asthma.
We are a high poverty school, and healthcare and medical care is always something that's needed in the students' lives, and just being able to have that access is amazing.
This particular population benefits because we bring the care to them, and as this is an increasing time in their lives of independence, it allows them to start to initiate that health care more immediately so they can learn more about their bodies and get the care they need.
It's just an amazing thing. Walk down from your class right into the medical clinic and get the treatment that you need.